Hi everybody, it's Rob. I'm busy with the content and silo course, and we've got to video number 9, which is about infographics. Now, I'm a little passionate about infographics, and you can imagine why my passion is so high. If you find out how much I've spoken about them in everything else, I've spoken about it in the course on making money, how to make money online. If you write for people, content creation. I've spoken about it in SEO sections. I've spoken about it in the graphics and image course. So pretty much all of them, I've interwoven infographics, and for me as a content item, it's huge. Okay, so here's how it works. In my opinion, and you can contest this and click this video off if you think I'm talking rubbish. People love an infographic. It's just fantastic. Let's go to fibromyalgia causes, infographic. Actually, I doubt there are any, because people don't do many infographics for this. But here we go. So we've got images for fibromyalgia causes. There's lots. My bad, having just insulted that. So fibromyalgia effects. Now, I would much rather have a look at this. Let's pick any one of these. It's up on Pinterest, so it's not going to show me a big version. Let's try this. Info health, understanding fibromyalgia, the invisible disease, infographic, and bingo. It's got the exact causes unknown, include trauma, surgery, autoimmune disease, significant emotional stress. Yeah, I was there. Home invasion in my case. Digital male versus female. I'm one of the lucky few men to get fibromyalgia. Thank you. And etc. The infographic sites, their sources. Now, for me, this is just, it's naughty because it's lazy way. So let's say why people like infographics. It's kind of a quick, easy, lazy way to absorb information. To do them properly, though, you need to do decent research. And it's also, so that's cool. Do your research, guys, if you're going to do it. At the same time, an infographic, if you've done a decent one, I'm talking about like a pillar image version of an infographic, where your infographic is the top half of one of your pillar pages that I spoke about in the previous video. It needs to be something so powerful that the top 100 related niche sites in your niche will happily put up your infographic and link back to you. And that kind of link building is hugely powerful. And again, all you did was put together an infographic that ranks, that is so powerful on your website. You would share it socially over and over and over again before you go out and use it as a backlinking tool. But at the same time, hey, use it, because if you got all your backlinks coming to your infographic page from all of that level of opposition, you're going to rank for keywords related to that infographic anyway, especially if you're the one with another 1,000 words below your infographic on that and it's a pillar page. Okay, so relate your infographic to keywords. In fact, see link building for this one. Yeah, okay, so that's in the SEO side. Go and see that. Do quick, easy ones wherever you can. You don't have to make hugely complicated infographics. I'm going to go to an images now and show you, and do massive detailed ones. Done. I'm not going to talk about how to build infographics after that here. So at 4 minutes, you can say, thanks, Rob, I'm out of here, and you can go. Just go to, yeah, I wanted to show you this. I don't know if I kept it open. Yes, I did. It's from a course I've got for infographic content brainstorming. How cool is this? What's the purpose of this infographic? By the way, I'm not allowed to give you a copy. So you want to see it, pause the video and write it down. Infographic content brainstorm worksheet, or brainstorming. So how will it help your business, etc.? Who is the target audience? Right? What does it need to learn from the infographic? What type of infographic would be best? So in other words, a pie graph, a thing, or whatever, you know. Then the title. So now you're starting to do it, and then here's the facts. So this is now already starting to help you build your infographics information out. Check it out. Put the facts into shorter bullet points, as you can add that into it. Impactful headings, that's already helping you. Points that support the main facts, if you need to. Sometimes that would just go into the article around it. Summarize it, more impact headings, list the section. Yeah, that would be planning, which of course is what this is about. What's the core takeaway you want to know? So in my case, I would do causes of fibromyalgia, and then I'd tell them that one of the biggest causes or things that affect your fibromyalgia is stress, and therefore take away your stress. Come and listen to what I can tell you about stress release, which by the way really means let's just say weed, but it's not weed. It's because it can be anyway. It's natural healing, relaxation. In other words, the THC. Fibromyalgia, brain fog. But anyway, it's the marijuana non-version, the hemp version. There we go. Got it. Getting it in bits. The hemp version of serious medication like Valiums that are supposed to calm you down. And if you can get rid of that and then remove the things that make you worry, jobs, marital situations, whatever it is, fix that. And as soon as you're stress free, your health will improve. And so, sorry, I'm getting off the track. So what do they read in the graphic? Color schemes. How cool is that? So let's get off of here and have a look. I would go into the search for it and look through them and get ideas. It's just so easy. And then in my other training, I'll show you how to do it. Go to Canva. A quick one, by the way. This kind will be quick. Of course, you've got to be able to use an image that is a powerful image like that. But they do exist out there in the free images. If not, pay a guy $10 to create one. If you're not capable, go to Fiverr and find somebody who does that, and give them an image of a person sitting in pain and say, look, just turn it into a graphic like this. You know, I don't know, you know. But I think that the easiest is to use places like Canva. Obviously, in my case, let's have a look at what I've got. I've got I didn't keep it open. Let's go to my home page. Desktop. I paid for this. So it comes with a worksheet. That's where the worksheets are. But the actual infographics are in here. And for example, there's many. So there's these infographics that I would just, obviously I would know what they are. So let's say this is the one I want to work with. And I would just open it in Photoshop. And there's lots of places that you can get infographics. You can get free infographic templates. You can buy them. You can make them up yourself if you have any graphic skills. And if you don't, it's fine too. You literally go back to Canva and you put those together there. I kind of want this to hurry. If it'll just hurry a bit so I can tell you things I'm done and get out of here. So I'll click it back if it doesn't bounce out and open. So there's where we are with the infographics. It's a beautiful way of come and gone. So I'm happy with done on that page of creating content that a visitor loves. And if the visitor's loving it and hanging around and following what you've actually told them to do, you see on an infographic, you can put a call to action at the bottom that click here to buy, find out more as a button on the entire image. This whole image would literally become a clickable banner that I would save. So I would go into here. Sorry, my bad. And then I would edit this that says, you know, oh hell, I don't know, this is a strange one. I don't know how I'd tie all of this lot together. Title 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fair enough. So it would be, doesn't matter. You'd then decide how to do it. You'd choose your colors, you'd match it, you'd merge it, you'd publish it, you'd share it, and your infographic will work as a very, let me get out of here, a very, very powerful tool for your content. Cool. Let's get to whatever I'm going to do on other. I have no clue. Let's see what happens when I get there. Take care. Cheers.